All right, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Two Phones Free back again with another informative video. I got a few devices I want to show off and display about these free services. All these phones got free services. Well, kind of, sort of. The TCL definitely got free services, okay? And it does qualify for the Kite Mobile service. And I'm here to show you that I got Kite Mobile on all three of these Android devices. Now, two of them are locked to Boost Mobile, which are my Motorola phones, the Moto G 2024 and the Moto G Stylus 2024. Fortunately, I didn't stay with Boost Mobile long enough to get these phones unlocked, because I even called them today, gave them my IMEI numbers, and they said because I didn't stay with them for a whole year, that they're locked to Boost Mobile. But I'm here to tell you that I was able to install the Kite Mobile application, and it's somewhat installed the eSIM. So what I mean by that is it says no SIM detected, but when you hold it down, it's showing it. But it says that the Kite Mobile eSIM 2 is locked, okay? And even when I try to turn it on, it's locked, meaning Boost Mobile, I'm still locked down to Boost Mobile with this Motorola phone. But the application did get downloaded, it did install, it did implement the eSIM. My service is just locked. And as you can see, it's showing the network icon, but no service, okay? Same way with my Moto G Stylus. I was able to download the application, install the eSIM, but again, it is locked to Boost Mobile, meaning that I have to have a Boost Mobile service for a whole year before I could get these devices unlocked, which is, I think, bad business. That's just an example. I'm showing you guys why it probably is not working with most of you guys' devices. And I did have the full application link in the description boxes on all my latest videos. Okay, now with the TCL, I do have the app. I do have the app on the TCL. It's unlocked 100%. Okay, and this is how the app will look. And you just tap on get started. You can put in email address. Use the tip mail. If you don't want to use your full email, use the tip mail application. That app works 100% for free, and it even works offline. So you can actually probably use the tip mail app on the TextNow service. I'm just going to show you guys real fast how to search for the tip mail and which one does it actually look like. Temp mail. So we'll tap on that. It's this very first one. This is the one you want. The tip mail temporary email private text limited. This is the one you want to install on your mobile device. Okay, get that one installed. Copy and paste the email. Turn on all notifications. Again, unfortunately, I know y'all get annoyed about the notifications, but it's very important. You turn on all notifications so you get these apps up and running, so you could get 100% free phone service. And my Razor Edge has Instabridge, 100% for free. Okay, like I said, even this past years on, I got this from Verizon. When you're on Verizon, your phone gets unlocked after 60 days. All you have to do is download those apps with eSIM capabilities. Razor Edge is eSIM only. So any eSIM service will work on my Razor Edge 5G because it's unlocked. It got unlocked by Verizon after 60 days of usage on Verizon's network. Okay, so, but that's just my example real quick, guys. I was able to get the apps, the Kite Mobile apps on my Motorola phones, but the thing is they are locked to Boost Mobile. All right, I can't even use Instabridge. I can use the app. I can still use the app as long as it's on Wi-Fi, but I'm unable to use the actual free services on these two devices because I didn't stay with Boost Mobile for a whole year with these two devices. I didn't have to stay with Metro getting this TCL phone. All right, I bought it outright for $60. It must have been on clearance at Walmart. Okay, it was supposed to be a Metro by T-Mobile, but it was unlocked by TCL and Walmart. So it was already out the gate running TextNow, running Helium Mobile, running Kite Mobile. This device right here It's great for free phone services. Check your Walmarts, check your Targets, maybe even your Best Buys if they still selling a lot of phones for dirt cheap. But warning people now, don't get your phones from Boost Mobile if you're trying to switch to another carrier. Unless you're going to trade these in for other devices. That's up to you. But make sure your devices are 100% unlocked. Like my Razer Edge 5G and this TCL K32. Also my S20, which I am filming with. Y'all give me your thoughts in the comment section below.